Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Special mission aircraft are used for various missions, ranging from military intelligence, counterterrorism, medical evacuation, search and rescue operations, patrolling, and more. Such aircraft are in service with many armies and law enforcement agencies. Today, we will show you the 10 best special mission aircraft in the world. Britten-Norman Defender. Defender is a multi-role aircraft developed by Britten-Norman to support military intelligence, counterterrorism, surveillance, reconnaissance, maritime patrol, medical evacuation, law enforcement, and homeland security missions. The weaponized configuration of the aircraft features underwing hardpoints to carry ordnance and equipment, as well as resupply pods for battlefield support. It can transport a maximum payload weight of 724 kilograms. Powered by two Rolls-Royce 250 B-17F engines, the Defender has a maximum cruise speed of 202 miles per hour, 326 kilometers an hour, and can attain a maximum range of 1,157 miles, 1,863 kilometers. Grand Caravan EX. The Grand Caravan EX Special Mission variant is based on the Grand Caravan EX turboprop utility transport aircraft, developed by Cessna Aircraft. Featuring a hardpoint wing structure, the aircraft received certification in mid-2016. It offers a spacious and easily reconfigurable cabin, as well as hardpoint provisions, allowing for a maximum payload of 1,520 kilograms. The aircraft is suitable for multiple missions, including flight training, VIP transport, passenger cargo transport, and humanitarian aid. The power plant of the Grand Caravan EX integrates a PT6A 140 engine, coupled with a 4-blade aluminum, constant speed, and full feathering propeller. The aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 224 miles per hour, 361 kilometers an hour, and a range of 1,109 miles, 1,785 kilometers. PC12NG Spectre. The PC12NG Spectre is a special mission variant of the PC12NG offered by Pilatus Aircraft. It is intended to serve the special mission requirements of both military and law enforcement agencies. The passenger transport configuration of the aircraft can be reconfigured to a full cargo or combination layout. It can be installed with electro-optical and infrared sensor lift and operator console to perform intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance or synthetic aperture radar missions. The aircraft also supports medical evacuation, air ambulance, and airdrop and jump operations. The PC12NG Spectre is powered by a Pratt & Whitney turboprop engine, driving a full reversing 5-blade Hartzell propeller. The payload capacity of the aircraft is 1,209 kilograms, while its maximum range is 1,916 miles, 3,085 kilometers. Guardian 400. The Guardian 400 is a special mission configuration of the Series 400 Twin Otter aircraft being offered by Viking Air. It was unveiled for the first time during the 2019 Paris Air Show held in June 2019. The aircraft can carry electro-optical and infrared sensors, radar system, fixed camera systems, civil aircraft missile protection system, and single dual workstations, single and double seats, a stretcher, and front and rear baggage compartments. The Guardian 400 platform can perform medium-range patrol, search and rescue, transport, drug enforcement, critical infrastructure support, and medical evacuation missions. It has a payload capacity of 1,683 kilograms and can reach a distance of 1,496 miles, 2,408 kilometers. King Air 250. The King Air 250 special mission variants are in service with multiple military and government customers. The aircraft is widely deployed by significant players in the flight inspection industry. The aircraft can be configured with mission-specific equipment to perform training, VIP transport, air ambulance, surveillance, maritime patrol, cargo transport, flight inspection, and high-capacity airline operations. Powered by a pair of 850 horsepower Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A engines, the aircraft offers a maximum speed of 357 miles per hour, 574 kilometers an hour, and a range of 1,979 miles, 3,185 kilometers. The payload capacity of the King Air 250 is 1,706 kilograms. King Air 350ER. The King Air 350ER special mission variants are based on the King Air 350I aircraft being offered by Beechcraft, a part of Textron Aviation. The high-performance aircraft are designed to meet the challenging needs of special missions. The aircraft can be configured for pilot and crew training, military liaison, air ambulance, surveillance, maritime patrol, passenger and cargo transport, flight inspection, and other time-dependent missions. The King Air 350ER aircraft is powered by two PT6A-60A engines. It has a maximum payload capacity of 1,608 kilograms. The maximum speed and range of the aircraft are 348 miles per hour, 561 kilometers an hour, and 3,098 miles, 4,986 kilometers respectively. Challenger. The Challenger multi-role aircraft is a special mission variant of the Challenger 650 business jet developed by Bombardier Aviation. It was unveiled during the 2016 Singapore Air Show. The aircraft integrates mission-specific systems for conducting search and rescue, maritime patrol, medical evacuation, VIP transport, and other specific duties such as weather monitoring. The Challenger has a payload capacity of 2,200 kilograms and can accommodate operator and observer stations, electro-optical and infrared sensors, a mission system, and a medical suite. Powered by a pair of GE CF34-3B engines, the aircraft can reach a maximum distance of 4,603 miles, 7,408 kilometers. Gulfstream G550. The G550 special mission aircraft is a derivative of the G550 business jet manufactured by Gulfstream Aerospace. The G550 special mission fleet is in service with more than 10 military operators. The G550 is configured with mission-specific equipment to support intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, command and control, signal intelligence, electronic warfare, and medical evacuation missions. The power plant of the G550 special mission aircraft integrates two Rolls-Royce BR710 engines, which each develop a thrust of 15,385 pounds. The aircraft has a payload capacity of 2,812 kilograms and a maximum range of 7,767 miles, 12,501 kilometers. Gulfstream G650er. The G650er special mission aircraft is based on the G650 business jet developed by Gulfstream Aerospace. It is suitable for transport, reconnaissance, airborne early warning, maritime patrol, signals intelligence, and international atmospheric research missions. The aircraft's spacious cabin allows for multiple configurations and capabilities, while its multi-purpose interiors ensure the rapid integration of special mission equipment. cargo or passenger cargo payloads weighing up to 2,948 kilograms. The G650er Special Mission Aircraft is powered by two Rolls-Royce BR-725 engines, which provides a maximum cruise speed of 709 miles, 1,142 kilometers an hour. The maximum range of the aircraft is 8,630 miles, 13,890 kilometers. C-130J SOF. The C-130J SOF Special Mission Aircraft is being offered by Lockheed Martin to cater to the requirements of the International Special Operations Forces. The aircraft was unveiled during the Paris Air Show held in June 2017. The multi-mission aircraft can be configured to perform armed reconnaissance, precision strike, aerial refueling, airdrop resupply, personnel recovery, forward air refueling point operations, infiltration and exfiltration, humanitarian aid, and rescue missions. The aircraft has a payload capacity of 18,023 kilograms, which allows for the carriage of electro-optical, infrared, and radar systems, weapon systems, defensive aids, and refueling systems. Powered by four Rolls-Royce engines, the C-130J SOF has a maximum cruise speed of 410 miles per hour, 660 kilometers an hour, and a range of 2,370 miles, 3,815 kilometers. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the aircraft you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.